Hello, this is Prince George Ford coming at you, and today we're looking at the 2024 Ford Escape Active. Coming in this nice vapor blue coloring, this vehicle is powered by a 1.5 liter EcoBoost engine, has all-wheel drive capabilities, and comes equipped with the cold weather package. Taking a look back here, we got a dual exhaust, backup camera, roof spoiler, we got some silver and black trim along this vehicle with blind spot detection. We do get a remote start with this vehicle, which is perfect for the cold winter months. License plate bracket, and that nice Ford grille. This vehicle does come equipped with a powered liftgate, which you can open on the key fob, the button up there, or a button by the driver's side, which provides you with plenty of cargo space. Got a 12 volt with a little hook there, plenty of room. We do get the ability to collapse your last row, and you do get your normal storage underneath with a spare tire. To close, all you have to do is hit that button right there, and it will close automatically for you. Taking a look in the back here, we can see this vehicle does see up to 5 pretty comfortably. We have this nice black cloth interior, plenty of door space, floor mats, and a carpet interior, adjustable rear seats with a rear vent, 2 USB-Cs, and of course you can fold this down for cup holders and arm space. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see here we have a power driver's seat with the same cloth interior we saw in the back there. Plenty of door space up front with power windows, mirrors, and locks, liftgate, and lights all on your left-hand side. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see the odometer sitting at 73,024 kilometers. We do get this nice leather-wrapped heated steering wheel, toggle-free screen, phone and media, volume, voice, and cruise control. Looking at our screen here, we get a digital speedometer and lane centering with My View, trip and feel, status info, vehicle maintenance, audio, phone, and other settings. To my right, we got our gear select, parking brake, auto hold, drive modes, and auto stop start with cup holders. More storage here with some outlets. Got your center console here as well with tons of storage. Dual climate up front with heated front seats and heated steering wheel. Storage is below, hazards, media controls. And looking here, we have our audio, compass, and phone. For your audio, you do get your AM, FM, Bluetooth, and SiriusXM. We got our phone controls. Any apps you may download will show up right here with the Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, settings, and your features of the vehicle. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is B8111, and you can head on into PG Ford or give us a call.